In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Raider Hatch Key, ARC Raiders. If you've been wondering where to find the Raider Hatch Key and how to buy it without wasting time, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish so you can get it fast and get back to playing. First, make sure you're in Speranza, the main hub area where you can access the in-game vendors. Once you're there, look toward the top of your screen for the Traders tab. That's the section that lists all the shopkeepers and their inventories in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. Go ahead and click the Traders tab to open the vendor lineup. From the Traders list, select Shani the Security. Shani specializes in security-focused items, and this is exactly where the Raider Hatch Key is sold. When you open Shani's shop, scroll through the available items until you see the Raider Hatch Key. At the time of recording, the key is priced at 9,000 coins. Keep in mind that game economies can shift with updates, so the price you see might vary later. Your current coin balance will appear on the shop screen, usually near the top corner. If you don't have enough, the purchase button will be unavailable or grayed out. There is one important requirement before you can actually purchase the key. You need to be at least level 12. If you're under level 12, the item will be locked or display a message indicating the level requirement. That's normal. Simply keep progressing your character until you hit level 12, then come back to this shop. As you play, completing activities and engagements will naturally raise your level, and once you cross that threshold, the purchase option will open up. When you have both requirements covered, level 12 or higher, and at least 9,000 coins, click to buy the Raider Hatch Key and confirm the purchase. After you buy it, the key will be added to your account. Depending on how the game organizes items, keys often live in a dedicated keys or mission items section. So don't worry if you don't see it in your standard equipment list right away. The key is ready to use whenever you encounter the appropriate hatch during your adventures. That's all you need. Quick recap. Be in Speranza, open the Traders tab at the top, choose Shani the Security, and purchase the Raider Hatch Key for 9,000 coins once you're level 12. Simple, direct, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your runs with the Raider Hatch Key in hand.